Hey guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. I know why you are clicking this video because you want to know how to add closed caption or how to edit the error that YouTube automatically added closed caption on your video. So I am on my studio and I'm going to pick up the shortest video I have, and I have never edited a closed caption on this particular video, and I think this video was published back in 2016. So let's add a closed caption or edit the closed caption for this one. This is the shortest I have, 2 minutes and 17 seconds. So let's click the pencil. Alright, we are on our editing mode now, but we are on the basic. We need to be at the more option. So that is where you will find to edit the closed caption. So click more option. Alright, so if you go down here all the way, you see that English by YouTube, it's automatic. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit the automatic by YouTube, because YouTube, sometimes we foreigners, we have an accent, and the way we pronounce words, it can pick up a different meaning or a different word, so it will show like a scrambled, and you do not want that. You want to edit that correctly. So the way to do that, you need to click this, you see this 3 dot, click on that one and something should pop up. There it is, edit on Classic Studio. Click that one. Now we are on our edit mode. We can go ahead and click edit right by unpublish. Alright, let's go ahead and click edit. Published subtitles are not directly editable, so this will create a copy that you can edit. Doing so will overwrite your existing English. Yes, I want to do that. Overwrite. Okay, before we do editing, let's go ahead and listen to what the audio of your video before we can edit, if or YouTube pick up the right wording of your video. Let's go ahead and okay, here we go. I have 2 cameras here. One is Samsung S5 and the other one is Samsung S. I have noticed I said I have 2 cameras here. One is Samsung S5 and one is Samsung S7, and YouTube pick up the wrong words. I said and the other one. However, the closed caption that YouTube put and that one, so it is wrong. Now let's go ahead and click that one. When you click that one, it will automatically send you to the right segments. So I said and the other one after the Samsung S5. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead one Samsung S5 and I'm going to delete that one. Alright, S5, I'm gonna delete that. There. And I'm gonna close that and move this one. And the other one is, I said and the other one, so let's go ahead and put that here. And the other one is, okay, let's listen to that. Samsung S7 Edge. So S7 Edge, there should be a dot or period here. So let's go ahead and add the period. I am taking the same shot. So I said I am taking the same shot. However, YouTube said I am playing. So remove the playing and replace that with taking. So click that box. I am taking, not playing. Shot at the same time. I am taking the same shot at the same time. So at the same, not some, same time. Let's play. See which one is good. I said to see which one is good. YouTube pick up which one is okay. So it's not okay. It needs to be good. So click that one. Good. So I can go ahead and go back to this box here. Remove this at the same time. Remove time to see. Samsung S7 Edge. I am taking the same shot, same time. So same time and put that in here. Now let's move this a little bit to sync up of the words every time what I said.
See which one is good.
Stop right there and move that blue thing to end your wordings. So I said, all right, here we go. But you don't see any closed captioning. So what we need to do, add the closed caption in these segments here. And to do that, do you see this blue box that says plus? So let's go ahead and click that. Boom, it's right here. I said, all right, here we go. So let's move that a little and let's play. Okay, I said, here we go. Now it's stopped right here. Let's play that again.
Also, both cameras stabilization is.
I said also both cameras stabilization is on. But as you can see, YouTube says revelation. So let's go ahead and fix that. Alright, now let's finish that. Move that here.
And both cameras is just normal, no added effect.
No added effect. I'm gonna change that other to no added effect. So let's play that again.
Both cameras is just normal, no added effect.
So I'm gonna put my red editor in the middle. Now let's play that.
Here we can tell which one is good.
So I said here we can tell which one is good. But the caption I have here we can't tell which one is good, which one we get. So that's very wrong. Let's fix that. Here we can tell.
Samsung S7 is a little bit more jittery.
So I said jittery in this area here, but the wordings are already gone. That's not good. So move that back. Boom. So let's play that again. Let's move this red. Let's play.
Here we can tell which one is good. Samsung S7 is a little bit more jittery than Samsung S.
And I said and Samsung, and there was no words here, so you click that and move it a little bit so it will pop up. And Samsung S7. I said edge, not age. So click, change the age to age. There, the right words. As you can see, I said, but the as you can see is not there. So as you can see, the stabilization is so smooth, but it says sun situation. So wrong. Okay, here we go. Right. So I said so smooth. Add box in there to sync of my audio. There you go.
Big difference.
So I said big difference. Big difference is not there. We can add another box. Move it a little. Add words big difference, and I think I did it twice.
Here I'm gonna try to make a quick panning.
So I said something here. I'm gonna try to quick panning, but it's not there before the quick panning. So let's add a box. Let's listen to it.
Here.
So I said words here, so it would be right here. Alright, let's backward.
Here I'm gonna try to.
Here I'm gonna make a. Of course I said a.
I'm gonna try to make a quick panning. You can see the difference. Wait on it. Swift panning.
I said swift, not trip. So let's go ahead and change that. Panning, not planning. So there is swift panning and there's no time, so delete that time. Now let's play that again.
Swift panning.
Slow panning. So I said swift panning and then add slow panning. Alright, let's play that again.
Swift panning, slow panning, quick panning.
I said quick, and it says returning world. Quick panning. Alright.
Quick panning.
So when I said quick panning, move that here. We need to sync it up with my audio. Alright. Stop it from here.
I'm gonna walk faster.
I said I'm gonna walk faster and it's not there. There's no wordings. Let's add that. I'm gonna walk faster. Now let's move the box right here because that's when I started saying it is amazing.
Thank you for watching, guys.
There you go. So when you're done editing, go back to it again, play it, and if you miss anything, and then when you are done, click here. One of them is delete draft. I'm not gonna delete my draft. I'm gonna publish it. So I'm gonna publish it, and then let's open it up if we have corrected the wrong words. Publish. Alright. See, subtitle publish. Now let's go ahead and close this one. Go back to my video. Play that video. It will pop up on the next tab, and let's turn on the closed captioning. It is on.
Okay, here we go. I have two cameras here. One is Samsung S5 and the other one is Samsung S7H. I am taking the same shot, same time, to see which one is good. Alright, here we go. Also, both cameras stabilization is on.
So far, everything is good.
And both cameras is just normal, no added effect.
So everything is good. Everything has been fixed. If you're happy with it, leave it alone until you publish it. But if you are not happy with it, you can go back to it again and click edit. That is how you edit or add closed caption. If you have any other language, you can do the same thing. You can just click add. You can have multiple closed caption, and you can even, ask the community to add closed caption for you. So anyhow, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog, and if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.